Hey guys, welcome to the news. Quickly will give you the tech news quick. OxygenOS 11 preview is now live, but this time it has ditched stock Android for a more One UI type experience. According to Bloomberg, Foxconn has said it is planning to move more manufacturing away from China. Google is launching a global earthquake detection network, which will allow Android devices to collect readings from its sensors and warn users when an earthquake is coming. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'm on Twitch, Pinterest, Google Keen, and Dailymotion, so you can follow me on them. I've got a new website called sandrolinux.com, so you can check that out. And comment down below suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see tech news, views, and how-tos. I post every day, so be sure to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. But until next one, goodbye!